Hello, Ronnie from Great Annexe Co, and I'm here with Laura from Canterbury Caravans here in Bayswater, Victoria, and we're going to take you through the Great Annexe showroom that Laura has set up here for you guys to come down and enjoy. So come with us, come check it out. All right, when you first come to Canterbury, you'll notice that there's a lot of brand new caravans sitting at the front, but when you come into their back shed here, Laura has got this great setup here for you to come and check out. Tons of accessories, but you get the Great Annexe Co. So come on in, we've got a standard layout. And Laura, tell me, when did Canterbury Caravans kick off?
So Canterbury Caravans started in 1997 by my father.
Oh yes.
And it's a bit of a family business.
Yes.
We do caravan sales, both new and second hand.
Yes.
We've got a 2-story accessories showroom.
Yes.
We do servicing, and we've got this amazing setup here in the annex.
And you know what, when we decided to come down into the Victorian market, we knew that we wanted to find a reputable business in the area that we know we could trust to maintain our standards. And when we found you guys, seeing your service workshop, seeing that the fact that you had quality brands on offer, it really started to line up for us. So we're glad to have you aboard. Thanks for taking us into your world. We love your facility here. The workshop's right here as well, so it's easy for the customers to get measured up and fitted. So, but what we've done here with the display that you guys can come down and check out is we've got like a bit of a half. We've got a Storm Shadez rear and a designer canvas front with the barbecue porch. So you guys can really get the difference, or come down and see the difference between the two main styles. Yep.
And the way that we've set it up is we've tried to create a space where you can sort of, get a feel for how you would use this area. For example, if you've got teenagers or anything like that, you can throw some swags in here. As you come through here, we've also got the barbecue porch as well.
Oh, there. Yep.
You're using a barbecue area you can keep out of the sun, out of the weather, and yeah, we've tried to create that scene for the customers to be able to see how you can utilize your annex to its full potential.
Yeah, absolutely. And as we know, with Great Annexe Co, we don't muck around with the quality. It's only the good stuff that we use.
Yeah.
And it's becoming more important, isn't it? Yeah. Because our weather is getting harsher, our sun is getting harsher, our storms are getting worse. And if you've got kids sleeping inside an annex room, you want it to stand up, don't you?
Absolutely.
So that's where Great Annexes really does deliver that quality. And look, when you're looking to expand your outdoor living space on your caravan, the quality of the product really does count, doesn't it?
It does, it does.
As you'll see here, we've got the 2.1 metre barbecue porch coming from the awning, which is, with vans now having so many pull-out barbecues or fridges and whatnot going on, it really does add that extra cover.
Yep,
doesn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, what you'll also witness is the key features of the Great Annexe display, or Great Annexe products, as to say. So we've got our translucent light master gables happening on top of each end wall, and they're great because obviously when you zip up in the rain, the natural light still passes into the annex. And of course, the signature leather trim, which is all about getting the UV under control so it doesn't destroy your Velcros and deteriorate any of that. Of course, we've got the heavy duty number 10 zips here. And they're a self-lubricating zip, of course, which means that you never need to spray them. You just need to keep them clean. The more you use them, the slipperier they get. That's a really great feature. Of course, the weather pelment to stop all the leaves and water getting in there. And our heat reflective canvas. So it's just a great package all around. Not forgetting also that we have this ability to be able to roll these entire walls up with these loops and tassels on the annex. So particularly when we're talking about the barbecue setup here, you can roll all this up in the air during the day to get access to that barbecue, but also get it down as privacy at night. So
absolutely.
It's a great, we put a lot of thought into the overall quality and features of the product. Everything's intentional on this thing. And look, canvas designer, backed by 10-year warranty as well. And that's really comforting for you.
It really is.
For your clients. So if you're in the marketplace and you want to come down and see a real annex on display, then you get down to Canterbury Caravans on Dorset Road in Bayswater, and you can come down and see this firsthand. Speak to Laura and the team. They can get you measured up and installed and get your perfect dream setup for your caravan.
Wonderful.
Look, thanks for having us,
Thank you,
Laura.
Lonnie. Really
Welcome to the
appreciate
team.
Thank you very
And
much.
we look
No,
forward.
we're really proud to be displaying this and looking forward to working together.
Excellent.
It's an exciting opportunity.
And check out more on the website. And thanks again.
No worries.